From beggar to rich. Once there was a man named Ramu. He was very poor. He had no house, no job, and very little food. Every day he sat on the roadside and asked people for money. Some people helped him, but many people ignored him. Ramu felt sad, but he never stopped hoping for a better life. One morning, a kind businessman saw Ramu. He asked, "Why do you beg every day? Do you want to work?" Ramu replied, "Yes, sir, I want to work, but nobody gives me a chance." The businessman smiled and said, "Come with me, I'll give you one chance. But you must work hard and always be honest." Ramu happily agreed. The businessman gave him clean clothes, good food, and a small job in his grocery shop. At first, Ramu cleaned the shop, arranged the products, and helped customers. He always came to work on time and never complained. Every day, Ramu learned something new. He learned how to talk politely to customers, how to keep the shop clean, and how to count money carefully. He watched the businessman and learned many useful business skills. Months passed. Ramu became more confident. He worked harder than anyone else. He was honest, friendly, and respectful. The customers liked him because he always smiled and treated everyone kindly. One day, the businessman said, "Ramu, I trust you. From today, you will manage this shop when I'm away." Ramu felt proud. He worked even harder because he wanted to keep the businessman's trust. After a few years, the businessman became old. He decided to retire. He told Ramu, "You have worked with honesty and dedication. I have no children. I want you to own this shop." Ramu could not believe his ears. Tears came into his eyes. He thanked the businessman with all his heart. From that day, Ramu became the owner of the shop. Ramu did not stop there. He worked day and night. He opened another shop, then another one. Slowly, his business grew. He became a rich and successful businessman. Even after becoming rich, Ramu never forgot his difficult days. Every week, he gave free food to poor people. He also offered jobs to people who needed help. He believed that everyone deserves one chance to change their life. Many people asked Ramu, "What is the secret of your success?" Ramu always smiled and answered, "Hard work, honesty, patience, and kindness. Never lose hope. One opportunity can change your life forever." Moral: your past does not decide your future. With hard work, honesty, and patience, anyone can change their life.